This is Miss Coco's black female. This is the purple collar. This is little Miss Mary. I tried doing it while she was sleepy, and now she don't want to do nothing. Sometimes if I catch them when they're sleepy, they take such good pictures because they're just so sleepy and they don't want to play and romp around. See how sleepy she is? She ain't doing a darn thing. Hey, sweet girl. Hi. Normally this girl is just walking and playing, so she's got to be super tired because she ain't wanting to do nothing. It's okay, Mary. I'll let you get some sleep in a second. She's like, you're messing up my sleep schedule, woman. She's so pretty.